Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 4 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's go into our notification panel, expand it, and find the Do Not Disturb mode. So for me, it looks like it's on the second page right over here. It's the moon icon, and before you tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize it. So number one, at the very top, we have the schedule. So we can tap on here and either enable the schedule that is preset for the sleep time, so it starts at 10 and goes to 7 a.m. Or we can tap on the plus and make our own, so just choose the start time, end time, and then repeat. So you can choose each day of the week or whichever day of the week you want it to work in. And apart from the schedule, we have the mute media when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So just a toggle if you want it, enable it or keep it off, basically up to you. And then we have exceptions. So we have on the top the allow notifications, so we can choose which kind of notifications we will receive while the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So we have the status bar, banner, lock screen, edge lighting. I assume this is the lighting of like the curved screen when it's on the screen itself, like the phone placement. And then the notification banners. So if you want some of these, enable them. If you don't want it, keep them off. And then apart from that, we have also exceptions for messages and calls. Now I will go over only one of them because both of them have the exact same options. So as you can see, we have allow calls from or messages from anyone, contacts, shared contacts, which are just favorite, and then no one. So select whichever one you want. Now for calls, I will go for no one just to show one additional thing. So if you select no one, there is also the ring for repeated callers. And if you enable this, it will completely bypass whatever is said right here. So even though right now no one should be able to call me, if they do call me twice within a 3-minute period, they will still be able to reach me. And this is a emergency kind of toggle. So usually when someone has some serious emergencies, they would spam call you till you pick up, and this will allow them to actually reach you. And that's about all the settings we have in here. So once you have chosen all the settings, you can simply toggle it on from here, or also from the notification panel itself from here, like so. And also, if you have chosen to set up a schedule, then you don't really need to toggle it on. If you only need to enable the schedule, so I'll do it by going into the schedules and checking this on. And then once the time reaches 10, so I still have 7.5 hours till that happens, actually more. So yeah, once that happens, it will turn on automatically, and then at 7 a.m. it will turn off automatically, so you don't need to actually turn on the toggle right here. But that is how you would set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.